Assalamu alaikum, my cooking in a budget's family. Hope you all are doing well. Let's start the recipe. 2 tablespoons of oil. 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic. Cook for a minute on medium flame. Add 1 cup of boiled and shredded chicken. Cook for 2 minutes. Now add 1 cup of julienne cut cabbage, 1/4 cup of julienne cut capsicum, 1/2 cup of julienne cut carrots. Cook for 5 minutes on high flame. Salt to taste. 1 tablespoon of white pepper. Turn the flame low and mix seasoning in it. Now add 1 tablespoon of chicken powder. Add 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. 1 tablespoon of vinegar. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Turn the flame off. Now keep it aside until it cools. Now we'll make the spring rolls. Don't overfill them. Add the filling according to the size of the wrapper. For small wrappers, add 1 tablespoon of filling. For large wrappers, add 2 tablespoons. Make 14 to 15 rolls. Fry in medium hot oil on medium flame until it turns golden. Alhamdulillah. Our spring rolls are ready. These turned out perfectly crispy and not soggy at all. If you follow the same recipe, you can easily make bakery-style spring rolls at home. As you can see in the video, these rolls look so fresh and tempting. Trust me, once you make them, your family will start requesting them for iftar every day. For more roll and samosa recipes, stay tuned to Cooking in a Budget. Only a few days are left until the arrival of Ramadan. Tell me, what preparations have you made so far? What have you learned from my channel? And what kind of recipes would you like to see this Ramadan? See you soon with another recipe video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.